Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add photo to contact in Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung device and you want to add a photo to any contacts, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone call app and here just select the contact for which you want to add a photo. And I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and tap on this info icon, and here you just have to make sure that you have saved this number in your phone. And here you can see this is in sim, so I'm not going to edit it. Just select the number which you have saved in your phone storage. Here you can see, now just tap on this edit option, then tap on this profile option, and here you can directly take a photo from camera or gallery. And I'm going to select gallery option. Just select that, then select the photo which you want to set. You can easily zoom it or out or manage this photo just like that. Once you have, just tap on this done option, then tap on save, then save again to add a photo to any contacts. So in this way you can easily add a photo to any contact in your any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.